Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to start a new project in Celtx and just kind of give you an overview. So you just want to go and, after you've installed it, open it. And this is what they call their splash screen. And it's just a little introduction screen when you open Celtx. And you can open a template for these different kinds of projects: film, audiovisual, theater, audio play, storyboard, text. And they just have some links to some other cool things. Especially when you're starting out, you may take a look at these sample projects and just kind of get an idea of everything you can do with Celtx. But since I'm going to be telling you that, you can also, if you already have a project created, you could browse for it right there. And I'll be showing you how to save your projects later, so you would have them on your computer and you can browse for them. And you can also download from the Celtx server, and I'll be showing you how you can upload your projects to the Celtx server so you can collaborate with them, or collaborate with other Celtx users on the project, and you can also access it from multiple computers and that kind of thing. But let's just start a film project. And if you start a film project and then later you want to add an AV script to it, it's no big deal, because you can pretty much add. The only really difference is they've started me out with a screenplay instead of an AV script, so I can add an AV script, so that's not a big deal. So let me give you kind of an overview of the interface. And right up here, you have a couple of your main options just right here. This is going to add an item to your project library, and I'll be talking about that later, of course. If you didn't already, you could open a project that you've saved. You can save your project you're working on, and you can print. So this is your project library, where you can navigate all the items you've created in your Celtx project, including like your screenplay, and then your character descriptions, prop descriptions, and so on. There's just a ton of stuff you can do. You add things to here with the little plus. You can add folders to start organizing things. And I'll be showing you more about this later, of course. And then down here, since we're on the, let's go ahead, and since we're already on a screenplay, and this is probably what I consider the most useful part of Celtx, the free Screenplay Editor, I'll just show you, you would have your scenes down here, and then you've got some other options down here. So basically, let me go ahead and add an item and show you. So you've got your project library over here where you can switch between things and open them. And when you open them, this is kind of your workspace. And they open in tabs, just like certain internet browsers, like Firefox and the new Internet Explorer, which is really convenient, so you can keep things open and quickly switch between them. And you can close a tab, of course, if you're not using it, but you can go ahead and open it from your project window by just double-clicking it. And this is your main workspace area with the tabs above it, where you'll be doing most of your stuff. Sometimes, let me show you, you'll have another menu up over here on the right, which includes some other items you may need. And then up here on the very right, you have web services, which I'll be talking about this towards the end of the series, about how you can upload your project to the Celtx website, so you can access it from different computers and all that good stuff. But that's just an overview of the interface of Celtx, and I'll start showing you how to use it in the following clips.